Hello, welcome to 504 Absolutely Essential Words. This is Teacher JR from camglish.com. For our episode for today, we're going to continue the activities that we had with our last episode, and we're going to have more exercises. So why don't we start with number 7? The basketball player was blank. He could practically drop the ball through the hoop. What is your answer? The answer is enormous. The basketball player was enormous. He could practically drop the ball through the hoop. Number 8. What blank can you suggest to explain the frequent changes in women's clothing? What is your answer? The answer is theory. What theory can you suggest to explain the frequent changes in women's clothing? Number 9. Why don't you blank all the space on that page? What is your answer? The answer is utilize. Why don't you utilize all the space on that page? Number 10. Sooner or later the elevator will blank and will be able to go up. What is your answer? The answer is descend. Sooner or later the elevator will descend and will be able to go up. Number 11. I heard a doctor on a television show say that if we blank one slice of bread each day, we'll lose weight. What is your answer? The answer is eliminate. I heard a doctor on a television show say that if we eliminate one slice of bread each day, we'll lose weight. And number 12. Copies of some magazines are so scarce, so the librarian won't allow them to blank. What is your answer? The answer is circulate. Copies of some magazines are so scarce, the librarian won't allow them to circulate. Now let's have the second part of the activity. We have here synonym search. Says here, circle the word that most nearly expresses the meaning of the word printed in yellow type. So these are the words in yellow type. So let's have number 1. Circulate the news. The answer is spread. Circulate means spread. Number 2. Eliminate a problem. The answer is wipe out. Wipe out a problem. Number 3. An enormous ocean liner. The answer is Huge. A huge ocean liner. Number 4. Dense fog. The answer is thick. Thick fog. Number 5. Descend the stairs. The answer is come down. Come down the stairs. Number 6. The suspected villain. The answer is wicked person. The suspected wicked person. Number 7. Humid climate. The answer is moist. Moist climate. Number 8. Predict the future. The answer is foretell. Foretell the future. Number 9. Deadly vapors from the chemical explosion. The answer is gases. Deadly gases from the chemical explosion. Number 10. Vanish. Vanish into thin air. The answer is disappear. Disappear into thin air. Number 11. Science theory. The answer is explanation based on thought. Science explanation based on thought. And number 12, utilize their services. The answer is make use of. Make use of their services. Great. Now, for the last part, we actually have the spotlight on. This is not an exercise, but this is just an additional fact to our vocabularies. So our spotlight word for this episode is villain. We see from this how social attitudes can affect the meanings of words. In Latin, a villa was a small farm and its buildings. A connection of such buildings become a village, and a person who lived on such a farm was a villain. Some who lived in the cities looked down on the country folk, regarding them as stupid, low-minded, and evil. In that way, country people earned a reputation they did not deserve. So for you, what do you think villain means? So, I think that's it for today's episode. I'll see you again next time for our new lesson. Have a good day. Goodbye.